Hi, my name's Rod Howell from UnitedTaps.com, and I'm going to teach you how to tap dance. Before we get started, please listen to this brief disclaimer.
By continuing to watch this video, you are agreeing to relieve United Taps and its staff of any liability for injuries or damages caused by watching or attempting any of the movements presented in this video. If you do not agree to this, please discontinue watching this video now. Thank you.
Let's start by learning the parts of the tap shoe. Here you have the heel tap, and down here you have the toe tap, also called the ball tap. So the heel tap and the ball tap. Those are the two basic parts of the tap shoe that you need to know. To get started, we're going to stand shoulder width apart. Bend your knees ever so slightly. Lift your right toe up in the air and put it down forcefully. Then lift your left toe up in the air and put it down forcefully. And the right toe and the left toe. And the right toe and the left toe. These are called toes. Pretty self-explanatory. Let's go a little faster. You got a toe, 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 and toe. Toe, 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 and toe. Keep a nice even beat just like me. Make sure you hit it strong, you get a good loud sound. That's it, these are called toes. Nice and easy, right? Faster if you can. Good luck. Toe, 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 toe. Again, try to keep it as even as you can. You got the idea. Excellent, those are toes. All right, you already learned your first tap dance move or tap dance step called toes. Let's move right along and let's learn heels. As you might expect, you're going to be using your heel. So lift your right heel up and put it down forcefully. Then lift your left heel up and put it down forcefully. And the right heel and the left heel. And the right heel and the left heel. Now, one thing you want to be careful not to do, when you lift your heel, don't let part of the toe lift up too. The toe stays flat on the floor the entire time, so only the heel lifts up. Don't go up like this, that's bad. Do it like this, that's good. All right, that's your little tip for heels. Let's give it a shot. You got a heel on the right and a heel on the left. Heel on the right, and let's go a little faster now. Heel and heel, heel and heel. Make it nice and loud, nice and strong with the heel, a heel, and a heel. Not too hard, huh? Let's go a little faster. Heel, 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 heel. Try to keep it even if you can. There you go. Keep it up now. Those are heels. Excellent. So far you know toes and you know heels. It's time to put them together. We're going to do two toes followed by two heels. Okay? Let's give it a shot. Toe on the right, toe on the left, heel on the right, heel on the left. Toe on the right, toe on the left, heel on the right, and heel on the left. So you got toe, toe, and heel, heel. Just like that, right? So we got a toe, and a heel, and a heel. It's called toe, toe, heel, heel. Makes sense, right? That's exactly what you're doing. Make those sounds nice and strong. Every time you do a sound. You got a toe, and a heel. We're going to try it faster. Good luck. And a toe, heel, and heel. Right toe, left toe, a right heel, left heel, toe. Toe, and a heel, and a heel. Toe, heel, heel. Keep it going. Nice and even. And a toe, heel, heel. Make sure your sounds are strong. Are you having fun? You're tap dancing. Not too bad, huh? Now, if you can't go this fast, don't worry. You can always pause it and practice a little bit and come back right to it. Toe, and heel. Very good. Excellent. So you know toes, you know heels, and you know toe, heel, and heel. Toe, heel, and heel. So you've learned 3 tap moves or tap steps so far. Now you're going to learn the step. All right, it's called a step. And all you do is you pick your foot up and you put only the toe tap on the floor and make sure your weight is on that leg. That allows the other leg to be quote unquote free or ready to go. So that you can lift up your left foot and step it down. Heels don't touch the floor. Put your weight on it. So then we're going to step on the right, step on the left, step on the right. My heels are in the air. They're never going to touch the floor with a step. These are called steps. All right? Pretty easy. If you're having trouble balance, tighten up those stomach muscles and stare at a point straight in front of you. Let's go faster. And step, step, and a step, and a step. Not too hard, huh? Let's move to the right. You can move these any direction. Move it to the right and move it to the right. Move it to the right. Gonna tap all night. Yeah, that's why I'm a tap dancer, not a rapper. Let's move it to the left. Here we go. You got the idea. Yeah, steps. No problem, huh? And very good. Those are called steps. All right? So we've learned toes. We've learned heels. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe. And we've learned steps. Step, 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 and step, and step. Good, we're moving along. Fantastic. Now we're going to learn the touch. A touch is almost like a step, except there's no weight on the leg. So, I'm going to pick my right foot up. I'm going to quote unquote touch the ball tap down, or the toe tap, but not put my weight on it. That means that same foot is free to go again. Touch and touch. There's no weight on that leg at all. You can just say touches are like steps that don't change feet. Kind of the same idea. This is a touch. Pretty easy, no weight. Let's try it faster. Touch and touch and a touch and a touch. Now you can do touches really close to the other foot like this. Or you can do them out farther. Or in between. We'll do in between for now. You got the idea. Touches. Piece of cake, right? Who said tap dancing is hard, huh? Good, let's give the left foot a shot. Gonna pick it up. No weight on it. Touch and touch. The heel doesn't hit the floor at all. Just the ball tap or the toe tap. And faster. Touch and a touch and a touch and a touch. Makes sense when you touch something with your finger, you don't put weight on it. When you touch something with your foot, you don't put weight on it either. Same idea. Cool, these are touches. Excellent. Okay, let's take a moment to review all the steps we've done so far. And then we'll review them later more extensively with music. But for right now, let's do a short review. So far you've learned toes. Make them loud and proud. Nice and even. You got it. You also learned heels. Same thing, make them loud and proud. Keep an even rhythm. You learned toe, toe, heel, heel. Make those sounds nice and strong. Keep it nice and even. You got it. That's toe, toe, heel, heel. You also learned steps. These are easy, right? Biggest thing to remember is you just got to keep your heels up. But yeah, it is a piece of cake. Very good. You also learned touches. Remember, no weight on a touch. That heel certainly does not touch the floor. Just the ball of the foot. And we did the left side too. You got the idea. These are pretty easy. Now it's time to get into some harder steps where we can combine different things that we've just learned. The first one we're going to do is called step heel. We're going to combine a step and a heel, and it results in a step heel. Well, that makes sense. Let's try it. So you're going to pick up your right foot, you're going to step it down, and then you're going to drop that right heel. Now your left foot is free. Pick up your left foot, do a step on it, and then drop the heel. Right foot, step, and heel, left foot, step, heel. It's called step heel, as you'd expect. Heel, and step, heel, and step. Make sure your heels are strong. And you're shifting weight over each leg as you do the step. And step, heel, and step, heel. And let's just go a little faster. Here we go. And step, heel, and a step, heel, a step, heel. Are you keeping those heels strong? You having a good time, smiling, enjoying yourself? You're tap dancing. Very good. Step and a heel, a step and heel. You got a step, heel, and a step and a heel. Step, heel, and step, heel, and let's go a little faster. Good luck. Here we go. Step and heel, step and heel. If you can't go this fast, don't worry. Pause it, practice, and come back. And a step, heel, and step, heel. Put your weight on that step, okay? And step, heel, and step, heel, and step, heel, and step, heel. Excellent. So we put a step and a heel together to get a step heel. Now we're going to put a step and a touch together to get, you guessed it, a step touch. So for step touch, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to step out on my right foot, and I'm going to step out to the side and put my weight on it. Now I'm going to do a touch with my left foot, and I'm going to bring that one close to my right foot. Touch. Now I'm going to step out on my left foot, put my weight on it, and touch my right foot close by. Touch. Step out and touch. Step out and touch. Step out and touch. Step out and touch. If you're having trouble with balance, gently tighten your stomach muscles and stare at one point straight ahead on the wall. Step and touch. A little faster. Step and touch. It's actually easier to balance the faster you go. Touch. A step and a touch. You kind of dance it. If you want to snap your fingers, I kind of do that naturally. Whatever. You want to swing your arms. Whatever you're feeling, go for it. You're probably doing it all by yourself, probably no one around. So you can get down and boogie, right? Touch and a step. Touch and a step and a touch. You got the idea. Have fun with it. A little faster. And step. Touch and step. Touch. If you can't go this fast yet, don't worry. You can always pause it and practice. And step. Touch and step. Touch and step. Touch and step. Touch. Well, excellent. Let's go everything. Oh, whoops. Let's go over everything we've learned so far. You've got your toes and your heels. And toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. You learn steps. Step, 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 step. You also learn touches. Touch, 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 touch. Also on the left side. Touch, 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 touch. Then we combine them. We combine a step and a heel. Step, heel, and step. Heel, step, heel, and step. Heel. We combine step and touch. Step out and touch. Step out and touch. Step out and touch. Step out and touch. What we're going to do now is put a little music on and do each one of these individual steps with the music. It kind of makes it a little bit more fun to do, gives you a little extra energy. So we're going to do that with music. All you got to do is follow along. Let's start with the toes. Here we go. Toe, 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 toe. Woo! Now we're cooking. All right. Loud and proud. Heels. Yeah, dancing. Woo! Loud and proud. All right now. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. heel, step, heel. You can do it. Very good now. Here we go. Keep it loud and strong. Step, heel, nice and strong all day long. All right, step and touch. Let's start it slow. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, and faster. Here we go. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Yeah, you can dance it. Have fun. Smile. You're tap dancing. Very good. There we go. Good. All right. Hey, that was fun. Pretty good, huh? You just started already. You know, like 5 or 6 different steps, different tap moves. You're dancing with the music. You're doing great. Well, here's the deal. It's one thing to be able to do each individual move on its own, like toes and heels and steps and whatnot. It's a whole other thing to be able to put them together and weave them together into a combination. And that's what we're going to do now, is a short tap dance combination. What we're going to do is I'm going to teach you all the moves you need to know, and then we're going to try it with music, all right? So let's give it a shot and see how it goes. The first thing you're going to start with is 2 slow toes. So we're going to do a toe on the right and a toe on the left. All right? So let's try that. A right toe and a left toe. 5, 6, ready, go. And a toe, toe. Then we're going to do 3 fast toes, right, left, right. Again, that's 3 fast toes starting on the right. Right, left, right. So you have 2 slow toes, then 3 fast toes. Let's give it a try. 6, ready, go. You have slow, slow, fast, fast, fast. One more time. 5, 6, and a ready and go. You got slow, slow, and a fast, fast, fast. Then we're going to repeat that same pattern on the left side. So starting with the left foot, you'll have slow, slow, fast, fast, fast. Let's try the left side again. Ready, go. You got slow, slow, fast, fast, fast. You got that? Super, let's go from the top, the beginning. 5, 6, ready and go. You have toe, 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 toe. Left side, toe, 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 toe. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, and a ready and go. You have toe, 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 toe. Now we're going to repeat that same pattern except with the heels. So let's start with the right heel. You have 2 slow and 3 fast. Slow, slow, fast, fast, fast. Left side. Slow, slow, fast, fast, fast. Let's try the heels again. 5, 6, ready and go. You have slow, slow, fast, fast, fast. Slow, slow,